Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your USDT to the Polkadot ecosystem and use it in Equilibrium DeFi. This is a really prominent use case, as it allows you to get native USDT stablecoin directly inside the Polkadot ecosystem, and then use it anywhere you like from there. So let's proceed. The prerequisites are that you need to have a Polkadot wallet installed. I usually use the PolkaJS extension, but I also have Subwallet and Talisman. You can use either for your choice. Then a Bitfinex account, which is funded with some USDT or crypto to actually get that USDT. So let's go. Log into your Bitfinex account and go to the withdrawal page. Hit the Tether tokens, select Tether USDT, choose the transport protocol, in our case it's Polkadot, insert the amount. The minimum amount is 5 USDT. Now hit continue. Now you'll have to provide your Polkadot address you wish your funds to be sent to. This is important. You need to provide the exact address in the Polkadot format. That's the one that starts with number 1. So I'm going to be using this test QA account, and as you can see, it's already in Polkadot format in my extension. You can change format here by selecting the one you need. Now I'm going to be using Polkadot relay chain format. Copy it from here, paste it here, and proceed with the withdrawal. Now, let's check out the withdrawal I already prepared for this video. As you can see, I've tried to withdraw 5 USDT yesterday, and you can see it on my withdrawal page, and it's a completed withdrawal. You can see my account here and also the transaction ID. Let's copy an account and go to the Polkadot-based Block Explorer to actually see the transactions there. I recommend that you use Subscan Block Explorer. Now, if you go to Statement Subscan IO, you can actually paste your account here and search for it. And as you can see, I have 5 USDT balance on my account. And indeed, there is a transaction approximately 24 hours ago for a transferal of 5 USDT. So it looks like Bitfinex did indeed transfer some money to me. Nice. There is another way to check it. Let's go to the PolkaJS Explorer. Let's go to Statement. Select the node you want to connect to. You may have to wait a bit. Yes, I'll allow this application to continue. I'll update the metadata in case something goes wrong. Let's go to Developer Chain State to actually read some storage. I'll select the Assets module. I'll specify Asset ID for USDT, which is 1984, and I'll select my account which I transferred USDT to. Now hit the plus button, and as you can see, I have a balance of 5 tokens. Don't be thrilled by a lot of zeros here. USDT has 6 decimal places for a statement, and this is how it's represented in the blockchain. Now the good part. Since the Polkadot ecosystem is actually interconnected with each other through the means of cross-chain transferring protocol, now I can use Equilibrium UI directly to actually add some funds to my account. So I'm in the Equilibrium app right now. I'll hit the deposit button, I'll select USDT, and I'll deposit some USDT from my statement account directly to Equilibrium. Be aware that even though I have 5 USDT on statement, I must deposit less than that because I need to pay a deposit fee, which is 10 cents, then a transaction fee, which is around 1 cent or less, and I also need to leave some money on my account and statement for an existential deposit, that is around 70 cents. So we should deposit maybe 4, just to be safe. I'll deposit 4 USDT, hit the button here, and sign the transaction. Block times are around 12 seconds inside Polkadot parachains, so we may have to wait a moment. Alright, so I've successfully transferred USDT to my account. As you can see, USDT appeared in my wallet, and now I can use it inside the Equilibrium application. And the use case I want to show you today for USDT is putting it into the borrower subaccount and minting some EQD, which is Equilibrium stablecoin. The beauty of doing so is pretty straightforward. Both EQD and USDT are stable assets, which are really low volatility. That means you as a borrower will not be paying a high interest rate by minting EQD. And you can utilize that EQD pretty much everywhere inside the Polkadot ecosystem, as we expand to different parachains, or to different protocols, etc. And pretty soon, you'll be able to put both USDT and EQD inside the first stable swap pool. We're preparing to open up Equilibrium, which will include those two tokens. So let's go to the borrower page. I'll start borrowing. I'll deposit some collateral. All right, now I can borrow. So I want to borrow some EQD. As you can see, I can borrow maximum only 3.2 EQD, so 20% margin or 5x leverage. But just to be sure, let's borrow 2 only. So I'll be borrowing some EQD, and next we'll examine my borrower subaccount. All right, go to borrow. And as you can see, I have USDT as my collateral. I have EQD as my debt. And if I go back to my wallet, you can now see that I have 2 EQD in my wallet. I have minus 2 EQD on my borrower account. And now I can use these EQD elsewhere. And that means putting them into the curve pool, giving them to market maker to actually trade and make you some money, or transferring them to another parachain and using them in RSwap, StellaSwap, BinSwap, Moonwell, as there's a plethora of protocols and dApps we can currently have inside the Polkadot ecosystem. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Thank you for watching,